Yan ang mga testigo. They are the witnesses to the raffle draw. There is no bias. And this is the total number of tickets which were witnessed by everybody. We have a total of 148 tickets. The only person that can draw the raffle is somebody who is not part of the group who will be attending.
Ralph Cacacho.
Everybody in this room is attending. So we will just have to the person who will raffle needs to be sleeveless. Okay, can everybody shake it?
Pwedeng, una ko na, gising ka mo. Meron na kaming, raffle, kailangan yung hindi kasama dito sa...
Baka may pandikit na dito.
Music! Music!
Okay na?
Na sleeveless ha? Tama-tama. Oh.
Okay na?
Okay, I don't know. Everybody agree?
Okay?
Ha? Okay! Woo!
Isa lang ha?
Isa lang. Okay.
Tago mo muna.
Pakita mo sa ano ha? Okay. One. Kung wala ka na
Del Rosario!
Ay, ganito? Sino?
Noel Del Rosario!
Uy, sino yan?
Yung bago na din.
Yung bago!
Bago?
Yung kaibigan ni Rolly, galing
Baby! Ay, nakarating lang!
may tama-tama, may baby sila.
Galing Qatar? Wow!